In this video, we'll discuss about a set builder form questions. So the first question says, write the following in a set builder form. So before we go into answering some of these questions, first we need to understand what a set builder form is. So according to my definition, I define the set builder form in this form. It is a form of a set which is represented by describing or stating the property satisfied by all the elements of the given set. So that's what we call a set what? A set builder form. So we need to look into these questions. So let's start with question 1. So if you look at question 1 or question A, it says A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. So when you look at these numbers, first of all, what are these numbers? Are they even numbers? Are they prime numbers? Are they odd numbers? So you shall find that you have 1 this side, again you have 36 this side. So the first thing that comes in the mind is that these numbers are supposed to be the factors of 36. Why I say the factors of 36? Because we are starting with 1 and we are ending with 36 itself. And all the numbers that are between 1 and 36, they are divisible to 36. So what can be your answer in set builder form? You say A is equal to X is such that X is a factor of 36. So here in set builder form, we don't have a plural. The only thing that we have is a singular. So we say X is such that X is a factor of 36. So that's how you answer this question. Now let's go to the other one. So when you go to the other one, which is this one, which is B is equal to positive or minus 4, positive or minus 5, positive and negative 6. So these are the set which have been given. Now they are asking us to express the same set into set builder form. So what do you do in this situation? You say B is equal to X is such that X is the member of integers. Now integers, they are denoted by symbol which is what? Z. So I'll say X is such that X is a member of what? Integers. Why I've said integers? Because we have positive or negative 4 and positive or negative 5. Again, positive or negative what? 6. What numbers exactly, or the range at which these numbers we have? So we have the numbers that are from what? Positive or negative 4 to, so now here we say less than or equal to X, less than or equal to positive or minus what? 6. So this is what you do. Now let's go to the other question. So the other question, this is the other question, which is C is equal to 2, 9, 28, 65, then 126. So if you look at this question, what first comes in the mind? You have 1, then you come with 9, then the seconded by 28, then by 65, then by 126. So the first thing that comes in the mind is that we need to think, right? What kind of formula that was used, or what pattern that was used for these people to come up with this pattern. So what do you do in this situation? Let's do this. You start, right? 1 cubed plus 1. That's the first one. then 2 cubed plus 1. Then the other one, 3 cubed plus 1. Then the other one, 4 cubed plus 1. Then the other one, 5 cubed plus 1. So if you look at 1 cubed, you have 1 plus 1, comma. Then if I say 3 or 2 cubed, meaning it will be what? It will be 8 plus 1. Then the other one it will be what? 9 plus 1. Then the other one it will be what? It will be 64 plus 1. Then the other one will be what? 125 plus 1. Then if you look at it, it will be, here it will be 2, here it will be 9, here it will be what? Here it will be, oh sorry, here is supposed to be 27. This is supposed to be 27. So meaning here to be what? 28, like that. Then here to be what? 65. Here to be what? 256. So if you have observed, you shall observe something that if I put cubed as the power, meaning that it will bring back to how it was what? Arranged. Right? So if it's like that, what will come up with a certain formula that will represent these numbers. Excuse me, that will represent these numbers. So you started with 1, then seconded by what? By 2, seconded by 3, by 4, then by 6. So you shall see that these numbers that I have put some or I've underlined. These are what we call natural numbers. Then your set builder form will be C is equal to x is such that x is equal to n cubed plus 1. Why where this one I haven't put any letter? Because I haven't put any letter because one is everywhere, but where these are numbers, these are natural numbers, so I've put what? N. Then to communicate to us what n is representing, you say n is a member of natural numbers. Then from there, what you do is you count how many natural numbers that you have. You have 1 up to 5. Then you say 1 is less than or equal to x. Then x is less than or equal to 5. Like that. So this is your answer. This is how you answer that question. Now let's go to the other one again, which is D. So if you look at D, you shall see that you have numbers, right? D is equal to 1 over 5, comma, 1 over 3, comma, 3 over 7, then 1 over 2. So if you look at this, these are the numbers, right? Now let's think just beyond this. You shall see that you have 1 over 5 here. This it represents that it was 2 over what? 6. Since this is 5, then we have 6, then 7, then 8. So it means that we have 1, 2, then what? 3 over what? 7. Then there will be what? 4 over 8. Meaning that it was like that. So meaning you have 1 here, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. Now, for you to express this one into set builder form, the question is, what do you do exactly? Then you're going to say D is equal to x is such that x is equal to, right? Now let's come up with a certain formula. If you look on top, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, meaning that on top we just put n, those are natural numbers, over. So what you do here is you say what? 4 plus n. Why I've said 4 plus n? Because if I put 1 here, it will be 5. If I put 2 here, it will be 6, which is here. If I put 3 here, it will be 7. If I put 4 here, it will be what? 8. So meaning that this equation is satisfying the what? It's satisfying the answers, is satisfying the sequence which is given there. Then what next? How many natural numbers? So you're going to say n is the member of what? Natural number. Then how many natural numbers that you have? You have 1 is less than or equal to x. Then x is less than or equal to what? To 4. So they're just about 4 natural numbers. Let's go to the other question again. So the other question that we have is this. So if you look at this one, it's saying e is equal to 1, comma 1 over 4, then comma 1 over 9, comma 1 over 16, comma 1 over 25. So what are you observing in this situation? You shall observe that it is just like this: 1 over 1 squared plus 1 over 2 squared, then what next? 1 over 3 squared, then 1 over 4 squared, then 1 over 5 squared, then 1 over, so it means that it will just be going like that. So that is what we call the sequence, right? So what you do in this situation, you're gonna say e is equal to x is such that x is equal to, on top it's just 1, so it will be 1 over, right, n squared. Then n is supposed to be the member of what? Natural numbers, just like that. Since it's infinity, so you're not supposed to put any range, you just leave it like that. Thank you.